First, I need to brush my teeth.
Oh no!
Oh no! I will go water the plants. The tree has a lot of fruit. Just harvest the fruit. I have to do the laundry. I have detergent and fabric softener. I will use detergent first. Rinse with water. I need to order food. I need to order a fast food combo. I will rest and wait for the food to arrive.
Your food has arrived. Please receive it for me.
Wow! Mmm. I will have a rainbow cake for dessert. It's time to dry the clothes. The clothes are dry, and I can wear them.